Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to draw a Gann box on TradingView. Before we begin, make sure you're on the chart where you want to work. The Gann box is a visual tool that helps you study the relationship between price and time, and it sits right on your TradingView chart. By using the Gann box, you'll be able to visually map out price movements, which is great for understanding key levels and trends in the market. This tool can be particularly helpful for tracking potential support and resistance levels, especially if you're using time-based strategies like swing trading or day trading. To get started, look to the left-hand side of your screen for the main toolbar. That's where all your drawing tools live. Find and click the Gann box tool. Depending on your layout, it may be grouped with other Gann or geometric tools. So if you see a small arrow on an icon, hover or click to expand the group until you spot the Gann box. The Gann box tool is designed to help you visualize a zone on the chart where price action has occurred, helping you align future price moves. It's often used in conjunction with other tools, such as Fibonacci retracement, to confirm key levels. With the tool selected, move your mouse onto the chart. You'll place the box with 2 clicks. Your first click sets the starting point or the anchor. Pick a meaningful spot on your chart, perhaps a swing low, a swing high, or any point that you want to use as your reference. This could be a point where price shows significant momentum, like a recent market low or a key support level. Click once to drop that first point. This step is crucial because your starting point determines the whole analysis area you're working with. For example, if you're looking at a recent uptrend in your Shopify store's stock or an e-commerce related market, choosing a recent swing low would give you a meaningful starting point. Now, move your cursor to where you want the opposite corner of the box to be and click again with that second click. TradingView will draw the Gann box for you, laying it across both time and price, so you can visualize how the market moved from your starting area. The second click should be placed at a point that marks the end of the time and price zone you're analyzing. For instance, if you're studying a major move over the last few weeks, this second point should reflect the end of that move. The Gann box then provides a clear visual representation of that price-time relationship. Once the box appears, you can refine its placement. Click and drag from inside the box to move it around the chart until it lines up exactly where you want it. If your cursor seems to snap to candle highs or lows, that's normal behavior if magnet snapping is active. It helps you align with precision. This feature can be extremely useful, especially when you need the box to be aligned perfectly with key points like candlestick peaks or troughs. Fine-tuning the box's placement is important to get the most accurate readings from the visual tool. For finer control, zoom in on the chart so you can see the candles more clearly. Then, drag again to nudge the box into place. Zooming in helps you focus on the small details and gives you more control over the positioning, which is especially important when working with precise market data. You can also pan the chart by clicking and dragging on an empty area outside the drawing if you need room to position it just right. The ability to zoom in and pan makes it easier to align the box with smaller price movements, ensuring that you're not missing any subtle trends. Take a moment to make sure the box covers the price and time window you intended. Aligning it cleanly with key chart levels or notable turning points will make your analysis clearer. For example, try to line up the box with a strong reversal point or a place where price typically reacts. This will give you a more accurate picture of the market structure. The goal here is simply to get the box on the chart and positioned correctly so you can start reading those proportions and zones at a glance. The Gann box can help you see how price moves in relation to time, making it easier to spot patterns and identify potential turning points or areas of price consolidation. And that's it. You click the Gann box tool, set your first and end points with 2 simple clicks, and then drag the box to align it precisely. You're ready to use it in your analysis. As you continue practicing, you'll get faster and more accurate at using the Gann box tool, and it will become an essential part of your chart analysis toolkit. It's a simple but powerful way to visualize and track market movements. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, go ahead and try it on your own chart right now. The more you experiment with drawing the Gann box on different time frames and asset types, the more you'll start to see how it can enhance your technical analysis.